Now, I want to discuss the topic equivalent circuit representation of transmission line. So, here, see this, the transmission line has two conductors. First, this conductor and this conductor. Two conductors are separated with some distance. So, in between these two, some insulation is there, the air or insulation, whatever it is. So, in order to reduce the interconnection between these two, we are using insulation between these two conductors. And you see this, every conductor, this is one conductor, this is another conductor. Two conductors are parallelly separated each other. Parallel ఉంటుంది, సపరేట్గా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఇన్సులేషన్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుంది. సో దీన్ని మనం ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ లైన్ అంటాం. సో ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ లైన్ హియర్ విచ్ ఈజ్ జస్ట్ లైక్ విచ్ ఈజ్ టూ పోర్ట్ నెట్వర్క్. ఫస్ట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ పోర్ట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ పోర్ట్. So if we are taking this port as an input port, so this port we have to take as output port. So that's why this is looking like a two port network or two port circuit. So here now we have to discuss the equivalent circuit representation of transmission line. So here you see this, each one conductor has separate you see this, each one conductor has a separate length and area and diameter. So any of the conductor which consists of length and diameter, then there exists resistance and inductance. నట్టే ఎప్పుడైతే ఏదైనా ఒక కండక్టర్ లెంత్ అనేది డయామీటర్ అనేది కలిగి ఉంటుందో ఆ కండక్టర్కి ఆటోమేటికల్గా రెసిస్టర్, ఇండక్టర్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ టూ కండక్టర్స్, హియర్ యు సీ ద టూ కండక్టర్స్ ఆర్ సపరేటెడ్ విత్ సమ్ డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ సమ్ ఇన్సులేషన్ ఈస్ దేర్. టూ ప్యారలల్ ప్లేట్ కండక్టర్స్ separated with the dielectric material, then that is known as capacitor. So that's why here capacitor is there. So next, when the current flowing through conductors, so sometimes in between these two conductor insulation material is there. Insulation is not a perfect, then some amount of current is leakaged. That leakage current is represented with the G. G is represented his shunt conductance. So here resistor, inductor, these two are in series. The equivalent circuit representation like this. Here inductor and resistor. Next these two are capacitor and shunt conductance. These two are parallel to each other. This is represented like this. So here shunt conductance G and this capacitor C. So this is for unit of transmission line. So here it is input port అనుకున్నట్టయితే, so the representation, equivalent circuit representation ఎలా ఉంటుంది? So inductor, resistor, these two are in series, and again this is looking like this. Again conductance and capacitance C, these two are parallel to each other. These two are again parallel to inductor and resistor. And again another unit, for the another unit same, inductor in series with resistor, and again shunt conductance and capacitance. These two are parallel to each other. This is for another unit. So along the length of transmission line, this is continuous. Into the inductor, resistor, these two are in series. Again shunt conductance, capacitance, these two are parallel to each other. Again for the next unit same, another for next unit same. Along the length of the transmission line, the common elements of inductor, resistor, shunt conductance, capacitance. Next, this is the output port. So this is the equivalent circuit representation of transmission line. So here L అనేది into the inductance per unit length, units Henry. కెపాసిటెన్స్కి వచ్చినట్టయితే సి అనేది కెపాసిటెన్స్ పర్ యూనిట్ లెంత్, యూనిట్స్ ఫారడే పర్ మీటర్. రెసిస్టెన్స్ పర్ యూనిట్ లెంత్, ఓం పర్ మీటర్. అండ్ జి అనేది షంట్ ఆర్ లీకేజ్ కండక్టెన్స్, సో పర్ యూనిట్ లెంత్. మోస్ పర్ మీటర్ లెంత్, మీటర్ యూనిట్స్. నెక్స్ట్ at radio frequencies, you have to see at radio frequencies the equivalent circuit representation. At radio frequencies, so చూడండి, at radio frequencies L very much greater than R, inductance very much greater than the resistance, so R value neglect R value. And C, capacitance also very much greater than G. అంటే at radio frequency leakage current is approximately 0. So lossless lines, transmission lines at radio frequencies. So G approximately equal to 0. So then the above equivalent circuit can be represented as, so here only inductor is there and parallel capacitor is there. For unit of length at radio frequencies only inductor and capacitor is there for unit of length of transmission line. Again for the another unit same. Next again C value. So this is taken as output port. This is taken as input port. So this is the equivalent circuit representation at radio frequencies. At low frequency, this is the equivalent circuit representation. At low frequency, this is the equivalent circuit representation. So L or these two are in series, and G and C, these two are in parallel. So at radio frequencies L very much greater than R, ante R is neglected, so approximately R value 0. And C very much greater than G, ante leakage current anedi approximately 0. So that's why G approximately equal to 0. So R value, G value తీసేస్తే మిగిలిన వాల్యూ ఏంటి? L value, C value ఉంది. సో L అనేది in parallel with C. So this is the equivalent circuit representation at radio frequencies. So this is the equivalent circuit representation at low frequencies. So this is the equivalent circuit representation of transmission lines.